Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Loungefly unboxing. I'm super excited because I have purchased 3 of these bags and my husband has purchased the other one for me for my birthday. They have been releasing so many wonderful prints that it is hard to say no. So 2 are from the actual Loungefly official website. 1 is from Shop Disney and the last one is from Entertainment Earth. That was the one that just arrived today, like right now, which is why I can finally sit down and film this video. So it definitely took the longest to get here, but I'm excited nonetheless. So let's go ahead and get started. I have not opened any of these boxes. I've left them exactly as they are so we can do a full proper unboxing. I can show you kind of how they're packaged and what it looks like inside. So I've got my scissors. I'm going to cut them open, which will make this video a little bit longer. I didn't necessarily think about that, but hopefully it is informative nonetheless. So we are in box number 1, and this is how it came, just like this in cellophane wrap, and I can already tell that this is going to be the ice cream satchel. It also came with what I'm imagining is the packing slip. Yep, it just is a note, actually, not a packing slip, that says that they want to thank you for the patience and understanding as they are working through COVID-19 and the shipping has been a little bit slow. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the, oh, that's nice. This is so loud, I'm so sorry. So it had a plastic wrap and then it is further wrapped in tissue. You can see the Disney Princess tag there, kind of poking out at the top. Once you remove the tissue, we've got some protective cardboard and some protective paper on the handles. Oh my gosh, it is so much cuter in person than it was online. I am over the moon. So I typically gravitate towards Loungefly backpacks. I feel like just in general I'm a backpack kind of person. I like having it secured on my back with my hands free, but I really wanted to try the satchel style. And what I liked about this, what I was drawn to, is that it is double-sided and it has a closure. I'm noticing as I go shopping, a lot of the purses that I'm seeing do not have a fully closed closure. So it'll just have like a magnetic clasp or a drawstring, something like that. But living in Florida and it raining a lot, it's very important to me that I can fully securely close my bag so nothing inside it gets wet. That's a kind of a make or break thing for me with my bag purchases. So like I said, this is double-sided, which is great for organization. I would probably, oh my god, you guys, the inside is sprinkles. The inside is sprinkles. So I would probably put things I want to reach for pretty immediately in the front side. So that would be my phone, my card holder, my keys. And then in the back I would do like my little emergency kit, some snacks, things like that. It does have a drop pocket on the back closure or back zip pocket and a zip in the front zip pocket, and it also comes with the strap that is attached to these jump rings here on the sides. I am over the moon with this, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the others just because I don't want this to be the longest video ever, but I am so happy with this bag. You guys can, oh, stop it. Okay, wait. So obviously Rapunzel, and it has like the sun as the what would be the cherry on top. You've got Tiana and it's got little lily pad flowers. Belle's has a rose. Cinderella's has a shoe. The Aurora one is make it pink, make it blue with her crown. The Snow White one has a bow. Mulan has her flower comb. Ariel has her seashell. Jasmine has her headpiece, her headband. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this bag. And I think that this would transition not only summer, because it's ice cream, I mean that's very summery, but I feel like it would still be cute other times of the year. All right, we're gonna open the second one. This is my second one from Loungefly. These are both from Loungefly directly. And then I think my third one is Shop Disney, and my fourth one is Entertainment Earth. But I will tell you when I get to those boxes. This one is Loungefly as well. So they were releasing, so again, it just came in wrapped in plastic. There is some padding though in there on this one. They were releasing like specialty collections, and this is the first one that they released. I want to say it was in May, if not April, but I think it was May. Again, this is a satchel style. So I removed the plastic wrap. We've got the tissue. So cute. You guys, look at this bag. Stop it right now. Stop it. The back has the Disney Loungefly plaque. You can see it is just solid red with white Minnie Mouse polka dots over the entire bag itself. And then I love that it has that signature Walt Disney D. It does have a strap. I like that this one is a chain strap with a little bit of fabric where it would lay on your shoulder. And then the zip to get in is this really sweet little tassel inside the bag itself. It is black and white polka dot lined. And then we do have a zipper at the back and a drop pocket on the front. So definitely great storage options, which is good because this is a smaller size bag. Honestly though, this would be perfect size for Universal. So if you haven't seen my last vlog, my husband and I are again Universal pass holders. And one thing that I will say that is very different from Disney is that there are several rides that they do not allow you to bring your items on. You would have to put them in a locker. So I was carrying my very Universal appropriate Hufflepuff backpack from Danielle Nicole that I was gifted for my birthday. And that was by Tom and Josh. And if you haven't seen my birthday vlog, I'll link that below as well. But that is really about the size that the small locker fits. If you need anything bigger than that, you have to pay for the larger lockers. So this would be a perfect size to carry to parks as well. I wouldn't carry my Disney bag to Universal though, just because I like to coordinate. But that is about the size that would be appropriate. I also got the matching card holder because I like when things match. And this has the matching tassel pull. So you can put all of your you know, I would put like obviously my driver's license and then my most grabbed cards, like my debit card, but then everything else could fit in here. Cash could fit in here, anything like that. That's really sweet. I'll also be listing prices like as a caption on the screen with all of these bags because there isn't packing slips and I don't remember how much I paid. So I'll just have those shown as I'm showing the bag. But this is my second purchase. So we're gonna move to, I think this is, see, I don't know why, yeah, this is the Shop Disney one. So this is the one I ordered from Shop Disney. So the entertainment one Earth one will be last. That's the one my husband got me and arrived today. It took the longest to arrive. But I understand that because I feel like when you're working with third-party companies, like Loungefly working with Entertainment Earth, it makes sense that it takes some time to ship their product to that third-party store and then for you to order it and ship it out to you. You're not ordering it directly from Loungefly, so it's not coming direct from their stores, if that makes sense. Of course, with Shop Disney, you have, oh, I'm trying not to hit my, trying not to hit my camera, the Shop Disney tissue paper on the front. I'm just making a big old mess, you guys. Now this one does have a packing slip, which is good. So this one I can tell you, and I'll also still include it. This one was $72. I did get it at a discount because I had a birthday coupon that was emailed to me. So I used it on this purchase because I believe it retailed for $90. But you guys, this video is making me the happiest little Kate I could possibly be. God. Okay. So obviously I will be transitioning to this bag in July. I'm currently using my Magic Mirror Loungefly for June because it is holographic and completely translucent. So it's very pool vibes to me, like a pool bag, which is very summer. But obviously I'll need to carry this in July. Look at it. The navy blue sequin and covering the entire bag, trimmed with the American stars and stripes. The bow is starred and striped. The straps are starred and striped. You guys, seriously, I have a problem and I'm not mad at it. I want to check out the inside because I want to see the pattern. Oh, okay. So this was a pattern that they did, was it not last 4th of July, maybe the 4th of July prior, so 2018. They released a collection that they had like a women's dress, a men's shirt that all featured this print. So if you have any of those pieces from that collection, you're gonna match this bag. That's really cool. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Look at it. And this is the traditional Loungefly backpack style, where it just has the single, you know, the main pocket and then the front pocket as well. It does include the side pouches, but I've never put anything in here. One, because I don't want it to dent the integrity of the bag, but two, I don't think much would fit in there, but ugh, stop it. Honey, I'm opening mine from yours right now. I had to kick the boys out because they were being nosy. He just got out of the shower, so he's like, okay, whatever. So this is the one from Entertainment Earth. This is the one that Abel got me for my birthday. Sweet boy. Okay, last unboxing, guys. It like went too fast. So this one has the packing slip. This one, the bag was $75. But again, I'll, have the prices up as I show them. Again, this one just came with like extra padding, but the bag itself is wrapped in that plastic wrap. So let's take that out. I'm hoping that the unboxing is helpful and informative. I know that like the actual unbagging it is loud and annoying, but I kind of just wanted to give you guys an idea of how things are being sent. So you take off the plastic, we've got the tissue paper covering. Oh my god. Stop it! Okay, so the front looks like a waffle cone. You've got the Disney Loungefly plaque here. What is the pattern on the inside? I bet it's the same. It is. It's brown with multicolored sprinkles. There. Oh my god. So you have the ice cream print, and then what's unique about this is it actually makes it look more like a cone itself, where the satchel is just the all over print. The backpack itself looks like an ice cream cone with the waffle cone pocket and then the chocolate topping with sprinkles and a cherry on top. Oh my god. So you've got the all over print continued on the back, of course. The inside is the same, I'm sure. Yep. You've got it's hard to show the interior of bags. There you go. The brown with sprinkles. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am just so happy I waited until everything came and then I could do a unboxing. This is absolutely asinine and nobody needs this amount of bags, but it's just what I collect. Ears, pins, and bags are my jam. I think that accessories are the best way for you to show yourself and your personality and your Disney pride, because I definitely was one when we first moved here to really like the t-shirts and the the leggings and the spirit, and I still love all of that stuff. I have several Spirit jerseys and things like that, but I found with my wardrobe as a teacher, it's harder for me to get away with those pieces in my daily life, where just carrying a Disney bag is just usually a little more subtle. If I'm wearing this dress to work or out on the weekend and have this, I can show my Disney side but not be too blatant about it. But oh my God, I'm just so happy. I love every one of these. They were worth the wait. They were worth the price. 10 out of 10. I am floored. Please leave a comment down below which one is your favorite and which one you would pick up if you had the opportunity to do so. If you did, tell me which one you got. And I'm sure this has been over a long, this is a long video, so I need to stop it. So please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.